Hi guys, if you fly drones and need a reliable charging stop, the Matrix Forces battery charging hub for DJI is solid choice. It can fly charge their batteries in just about 1 hour and 15 minutes, so you can get back to flying faster without long wait times. The app features as 1.5-inch LCD display, giving you real-time update on battery status, charging modes, and even firmware update are clearly visible on easy screen. You get their charging modes, storage mode, and 60% full charge mode at for 100%. Silent mode for quiet operations, so whether you're preparing for storage or full flight, you have full control. It also supports high power charging up to a 180 per battery channel, and even has a USB-C port for your controller, action cameras, or phone. Plus, it's built smart and safe with optimized health management to protect uh, your batteries during every charge. If you want a fast, smart, and versatile charging hub for your DJI setup, this one ready to keep you flying.